MAGA Governor Glenn Youngkin is claiming that an outfit called the Virginia Homeland Security Task Force has made more than 500 arrests as of Monday, though the governor's office isn't able to give us much, if really any detail on the nature of the arrest. Chris Graham here, Augusta Free Press. So first I'll tell you about a press release from the governor's office claiming that 132 people affiliated with MS-13 and Trinidad are among those arrested by the task force, which the release described as, quote, a federal-state partnership established by the U.S. Department of Justice to combat transnational organized crime, gang violence, and immigration violations. So I get the press release. I email then a spokesperson for the governor's office to ask for, quote, names, alleged offenses, the status of cases, and any pending deportations from this group. And I got nothing. The quote back from the spokesperson, the arrests were federal charges. For additional information or comment on the arrest, we defer you to ICE and the DOJ. So the governor's office sends out this press release. They have no details. That says a lot, right? So much for detail, and without detail, we don't know that this task force has actually done anything other than play politics. Here's a quote from the governor in the press release. Thanks to the brave men and women of our federal and state law enforcement, more than 500 criminal illegal immigrants, more than 130 gang members are off Virginia streets and facing justice for their crimes. We can't actually back that up with anything database, any actual names, anything like that. So that's just a statement in a press release. There's also a statement in a press release from the U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi. This is the product of unprecedented collaboration between state and federal law enforcement entities working to protect Virginia's communities. Project. Did that say that? Yes, project is probably the Freudian slip there. Reminder time. This all goes away when we elect a Democratic governor and attorney general in November, and that can't come soon enough.